Karnataka all set for Unlock 1.0, hotels and restaurants to allow dine-in after 2 months. Preparations begin. Hotels to ensure hand sanitizers and thermal screening at the entrance. Only asymptomatic staff and guests to be allowed. Temples are also all set to reopen tomorrow. Cleaning and sanitizing efforts begin at Gavi Gangadhareshwara Temple and TTD Temple in Malleshwaram. No prasadam to be distributed and social distancing norms to be followed here as well. Mosques and churches also begin preparations to open doors to devotees. Strict guidelines to be followed at religious institutions. No crowding or huge congregation to be allowed. Temples, mosques and churches to ensure sanitizers for the devotees visiting. Controversy over reopening of Kyar market in Bengaluru while farmers demand reopening. The BBMP officials are reluctant over fears that farmers from neighbouring states would also visit, making it difficult to track them in case of virus spread. Malls also begin preparations. Malls across the city are also all set to be open tomorrow. Workers sanitize mall premises. Thermal sensors to also screen all those who enter malls. Karnataka registers 378 fresh COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally to 5,213. The death toll due to COVID-19 in the state has risen to 59. Active cases stand at 3,184, out of which 11 people are being treated in the ICU. It's home at last for several people. Indians who returned from Malé in Maldives on INS Jalaswa disembarked at Tuticorin harbour in Tamil Nadu. With this, the INS alone has repatriated around 2,700 Indians from Maldives and Sri Lanka. 128 Somalian nationals who were stranded in Hyderabad amid lockdown left for their country on a repatriation flight from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. They had been stuck for over 2 months because of the lockdown and suspension of air flights across the country. India reports another highest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases. 9,971 new cases come to light in the last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the country now stands at 2,46,628, including 1,20,406 active cases and 6,929 deaths. And President Trump claims countries like India and China would have much more coronavirus cases than America if testing increases. Defends US coronavirus numbers. The United States remains the worst hit country in the world with nearly 1.9 million cases and over 1,09,000 deaths.